Hello guys, good morning. Now today we are going to discuss variance in case of binomial distribution. How we can find and how we can compute variance in case of binomial distribution or with the help of some moment and probability mass function. In previous lecture we have find mu1 dash means mean is equal to n into p number of event into probability. Okay guys, now in this lecture we will discuss how to find variance with the above probability mass function of binomial trial. Let us start. Okay guys, yes, okay, start now. We know what the variance is equal to mu2 is equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. Mu1 dash we calculate, we have mu1 dash value, but we have not value of mu2 dash. Now first find mu2 dash, then calculate variance. Okay guys, let's start. We know what the value of mu2 dash expected x square means summation x square and probability of random variable x. Here we have summation x square, probability is n into n into x, probability mass function of binomial trial, p power x and power minus x. This is the expression of binomial distribution. Now if you know we have probability x is equal to 0 to n, we can write x in form of x minus 1 plus x square. We can write this form. Okay guys, x minus 1 plus x, and this is the n into x, probability of, this is the multiplication, actually multiply of x square e to power x q n minus x. We expand x square in form of x minus 1 plus x. Now multiply x minus 1, first multiply this one into this, and second multiply x in this one. We can write here summation x is equal to 0 to n limit x minus 1 n into x e to x 2 to n minus x plus summation x is equal to 0 to n limit x into n to x e power x to the power n minus x. This is the expression of mu1 dash. For value of this one is, we know in previous lecture we have calculate n into p. Now find the value of this. Okay guys, now this is also we can write here n summation x limit 0 to n x minus 1 factorial n divided by factorial x n minus factorial x e power x to the power n minus x. We expand the only this one. Now we have directly used how to find n minus 1 p to power 2 summation x is equal to 2 to power n x minus 2 factorial divided by x minus factorial 2 n minus factorial 2 minus x minus factorial 2 bar p to power x minus 2 into to the power n minus 2 minus x minus 2 bar n plus n into p, this one. Okay guys, in this case we expand p in 2 times and we take p square outside the, here we take this is, we can also write here p x minus 2, okay guys, into p square. Now we take p square outside, and in this expression we take n minus 1 outside the function. Okay guys, we take common p square or n minus 1 square with the help of these expression. This is the value of this one. Here you can write here, or you may say n minus 1 p square. This is the expression of p plus q n minus 2 plus n into p. This one. Now you can write p plus q is equal to 1. We can write here n minus 1 p square plus np. This is the value of mu2 dash. Okay guys, now with the help of these we can easily calculate the value of mu2. Mu2 means variance. Variance is equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. First write a value of mu2 dash. We calculate in above. Here n minus 1 p square plus np minus n square p square. Value of mu2 dash. This is the value of mu2. Now after simplification we can find npq. This is the value of mu2. This is the value of mu2. Okay guys, hope you understand how we can find the value of mu2, mu3, mu dash. In respectively, we can easily calculate with the help of these expression. We can calculate the value of npq q minus p. This is the value of mu3 dash with the help of binomial distribution. And if you similarly we can calculate value of mu4 with this expression. Okay guys, value of mu4 is npq into 1 plus 3 n minus 2 p. This is the value of mu4. Now with the help of binomial distribution we can first find mu1 dash mean, mu2 dash mu2 variance, and mu3 mu4. This is the standard formulas of binomial. Then another expression mu3 dash and mu3. In previous lecture we have discussed, or we have calculated mu2 dash means variance and mean. Now this is the third mu3 dash. Mu3 dash means expectation of x cube. Okay guys, or you may write expectation summation multiply x cube into probability of random variable x. Okay guys, now you can write here n is equal to 0 to x. You may explain, you may write x square, write this like this: x minus 1, x minus 2 plus 3x, x minus 1 plus x multiply n into x, binomial trials, p to the power x, q to the power n minus x. This is the expression of x cube. Why we express the x square, x cube, x4 like this? Because we can easily find the value of mu3 dash. Now with the help of these, I write directly. You may write here n minus 1, n minus 2 into pq plus 3n n minus 1 p square plus np. This is the expression. First you multiply 1 by 1 the given probability mass function and you get the expression in form of binomial distribution in form of factorial, and these factorial you may write like this one. Okay guys, with that after getting this you may calculate mu3 dash mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus 2 mu1 dash cube. This is the third center moment. Now putting all these values mu1, mu2, mu3, you can calculate after putting these value and simplification you get the value of mu3 npq q minus p. Okay guys, I write directly npq minus q minus p. This is the mu3 after simplification. Okay guys, now if we talk about mu4 dash means expectation x4 means summation x4 multiply the random variable of probability p. Okay guys, you may write also here expectation x4 like this: x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 plus 6x x minus 1 x minus 2 plus 7x x minus 1 plus x. Okay guys, this is the whole expression of x4. Now when you getting these expression you may write the value of after calculating in form of binomial trials. We get 6n n minus 1 n minus 2 plus 7 n minus 1 plus n, sorry, here p cube, and this is p square np. Okay guys, this is the expression of mu4 dash. Now when you getting both values mu1, mu2, mu3, mu4, you may write easily mu4 is equal to mu4 dash minus 4 mu3 dash mu1 dash plus 6 mu2 dash mu1 dash square minus 3 mu1 dash 4. Putting all these values in here, after putting all these values in this expression we get the and simplify these expression. Okay guys, when you simplify this expression you find the value of mu4, central moment of mu4. This is the central moment of mu4 values. Okay guys, hope you understand the value of all mu1, mu2, mu3, mu4 with the help of probability mass function of binomial trial or Bernoulli trials. In next distribution we have discussed about the Poisson distribution. When Bernoulli trial is extremely, or we can say when a trial number of trials goes to infinity, then probability goes to close zero. In this case, when number of trials more than countable, more than 2, 3, 4, 10 times, 20 times, then we use the Poisson distribution. With the help of this Poisson distribution, we can find row and center moment. So guys, in next lecture, we will explain the properties and how to calculate, how to find the value of all these row movement and center movement, mean and median, and what is the value of mean. If we talk about the Bernoulli trial, here you can say value of mean of binomial distribution is n into p. Okay guys, mean of binomial distribution n into p and variance n p q. Okay guys, variance of binomial distribution npq and binomial and mean is np.